What's up, guys? Here's the Vacuums here. Sorry for the camera quality. My phone's acting up. This is not going to be used for a while. But I do have this camera, though. We'll give it a shot. Anyways, this is going to be the first video in a while, so yeah. It's a dual vacuuming. We got the Animal 2 and a Fantom domestic. So first, we're going to be starting with the Animal 2. The Animal 2 has clean bin. So does the domestic. As you can see, clean. Just there's some scent beads in there because why not? So we'll be like this right here. Ah, yes. Mr. Peacock swimming around. And we got Mr. Redtail also swimming around. Oh, the zooming is so slow. Anyways. Animal 2's plugged in. I know y'all haven't seen this thing run in a while, but I've used it. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, let's see what we got up. As you can see, we did pretty well. Definitely got some floof in there. And there's definitely quite a bit of fine dust, for sure. But, the question is, will this thing compete with a nearly 31-year-old vacuum? We'll find out right after this. Alright, we're back with the Animal 2's almost 31-year-old cousin. So, this also has a clean bin. So we'll go ahead and give this thing a run. Don't mind the squeak. Just a touch of belt noise. Let's see. See what we picked up. Definitely got some fine dust on the Cyclone. And as you can see, we did pick up a little more. There's still quite a bit of fine dust in here. As you can see, if I zoom in a little bit, there is quite a bit more fine dust that was indeed left behind by the Animal 2. Which is insane how it's nearly, the Animal 2's nearly 31-year-old cousin out-cleans the unit. Which is really insane, honestly, if you ask me. But I mean, these were top tier back in the day. So, I guess it was kind of expected. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for this little dual vacuuming. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like or a comment. Subscribe for more. Turn on push all notifications so you're notified every time I upload and or go live. Select all for all notifications. Cheers, World of Vacuums here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.